Once upon a time in the charming town of Heartsville, there lived a group of adorable animals who were the best of friends. They had fluffy fur, sparkly eyes, and hearts full of love. Valentine's Day was approaching, and the friends decided to plan a special celebration. The leader of the group was Rosie the rabbit, a kind and caring bunny who loved to spread joy. She gathered her friends in the cozy meadow to discuss their Valentine's Day plans. "I think we should do something extra special this year," suggested Benny the bear, scratching his head thoughtfully. "How about a Valentine's Day treasure hunt?" chirped Leela the squirrel, her bushy tail twitching with excitement. Default text the idea caught on, and soon they were busy creating beautiful handmade valentines for each other. Each valentine had a clue that would lead to the next friend in the treasure hunt. On Valentine's Day morning, the sun rose to find Heartsville adorned with colorful decorations and hearts. The friends gathered in the meadow, eager to begin their treasure hunt. Rosie held the first valentine, reading the clue aloud. "Follow the rainbow colors, where flowers bloom, to find a friend who brightens the room." The friends giggled with anticipation and set off on their adventure. They followed the rainbow-colored ribbons tied to trees and bushes, passing by blooming flowers until they reached a little nook where Oliver the owl was waiting.